Achieve better profits with these affiliate marketing tips. Are you searching for a way to make some extra money part-time? If so, affiliate marketing might be for you. You can make good money all from the comfort of your own home. To guide you through how to build a successful affiliate site, this video contains many useful tips that can help you. When putting affiliate links on your blog, be transparent about the point of the links. If you hide the affiliate link, you make people suspicious about your motives. If instead you tell your readers that your link is an affiliate link, they feel positive about your honesty and may be more likely to buy from your links. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. If you are attempting to market multiple products after the success of your first campaign in affiliate marketing, you should try to keep the product in relatively the same market. You already know how to promote a product within this market. So remember this analogy: don't go from fixing cars to fixing airplanes. Make sure that content on affiliate marketing websites are written in the proper language. If your site targets mostly visitors from the UK, have content written in the Queen's English. Also, make sure that word usage and sentence structure are correct. Content that is in badly written English turns potential customers away, especially UK customers. Taking on affiliates to direct traffic to your website can be a highly effective form of internet marketing. The potential rewards are enormous, and if you research your programs well beforehand, the risks to you are quite minimal. Most affiliates can be paid on a pay-per-click basis, so that they will only cost you money if they are increasing your traffic. You can set up your affiliate marketing account through each company that you would like. Each company will have their own criteria for allowing you to be an affiliate, but most just appreciate the free publicity. Just make sure that the company you choose has products that you want to endorse. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure the vendor you're working with doesn't use tricks on their sales page to cheat you out of your commission. Sometimes companies will offer the visitor different options in terms of payment, and by selecting those options, you won't receive any commission. Check your sales statistics daily and adjust what you're selling on your website accordingly. If you've noticed a product hasn't moved a unit in a week, replace it. There's no harm in trying something new for a few days, but letting something take up space for a long time means you're not making sales on something more lucrative. If you follow the guides in this video persistently and manage your sites so that they are attractive to traffic and your audience, then you should have no problem making a profit from this program. Remember, you will only make a successful site if you put in the time and effort to make it stand out in the online market. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.